Hey, my name is Nimi.
Hey, my name is Bobo.
Welcome to Nimi-Bobo World.
The garden at Brightwood Cottage usually woke up calm and peaceful. But that morning, something felt wrong. The garden at Brightwood Cottage felt unusually quiet that morning. Nimi noticed right away that something was missing. There were no songs, no wings, only silence. Then she heard a sound she had never heard before. It wasn't a song, it was sadness. A little bird sat alone, unable to fly. The bird was scared, but it didn't run away.
Oh, what happened to you?
Above them, its home was broken.
You fell. Didn't you?
It tried to fly, but couldn't. Bobo arrived just in time to see the problem.
What's happened here?
Bobo asks Nimi what's going on here. Nimi tells him everything about the bird, and they both decide to build a ground nest for the bird. Then Bobo goes to build a ground nest. Every movement was slow and careful.
Soft. Warm. Perfect. You're safe here.
Somehow, the bird felt safe with them. For the first time, the bird felt calm. It wasn't perfect, but it was home. After enduring so much, the bird went to sleep. And the next day, and Nimi knew what to do.
And Bobo, we should build a new nest.
Yes! Let's do it, Nimi!
Now came the hardest part.
Here is the red leaf you wanted. Thank you, that will make it very
Together,
cozy.
they rebuilt what was lost.
You're safe here.
Slowly, carefully, hope returned. The garden filled with life again. The silence was gone. Another day.
Today is a beautiful day.
By morning, the bird was ready. It wasn't far, but it was enough.
You can fly again?
Sometimes staying is the greatest help, and sometimes kindness gives wings back.
Thanks for watching. Bye!